Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change font style on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who feel bored of your font style on your cell phone, don't need to be worried guys, because Poco M7 Pro is providing a lot of font style that you can choose as you want to become your font style on your cell phone. And how to do that is very easy, so yeah, now let's do the tutorial. Alright, first now you can go to settings menu, and then now you can scroll down, and then now you can go to display and brightness, and then now you can scroll down again and go to font. Alright, then after that now you can scroll down again, and then as you can see there are so many font that you can choose. There are paid and there are free also font, and I will choose this one for example and click apply. And then so yeah, the new font style is already applied to your cell phone. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.